If you often feel tired, out of breath, or low on energy, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about exercises that increase endurance naturally. No supplements, no shortcuts, just proven workouts that help your body perform better every day. Endurance is your body's ability to keep going without getting exhausted. Whether you want more stamina for workouts, sports, or daily life, these exercises will help. First, brisk walking or jogging. This is one of the simplest and most effective endurance builders. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day improves heart health, lung capacity, and overall stamina. Start slow and increase your pace gradually. Second, cycling. Cycling strengthens your legs while boosting cardiovascular endurance. It's low impact, which means it's easy on your joints and perfect for long sessions. Third, jump rope. This underrated exercise builds endurance fast. It improves coordination, burns calories, and challenges your heart and lungs in a short amount of time. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily makes a big difference. Fourth, bodyweight circuits like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. Performing these exercises back-to-back with little rest trains your body to resist fatigue and recover faster. Finally, swimming. Swimming works your entire body and improves breathing control, making it excellent for endurance and overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key. Train 4 to 5 days a week, eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep for the best results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new fitness video. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next one.